How to fix Fiverr verification code problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Fiverr verification code problem step by step. So if you're not receiving the verification code from Fiverr or seeing a verification error, don't worry. This guide will help you to fix it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, make sure that you have entered the phone number correctly, including the correct country code, because a wrong country code is one of the most common reason for this problem. And with that, next you can check the internet connection. So always make sure that your internet is stable. Otherwise, you can try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile network as well. Now, with that, you just have to wait for a moment and check if the code arrives via SMS or call. But if you don't receive the SMS, you can just tap on Call Me to get a verification code via voice call. And if the code still does not arrive, go to the phone settings in your phone. And now from here, you can just scroll down and tap on apps. And now here in this section, just tap on manage apps. And here you can simply search for the Viver app. And there you can simply tap on it. And here, once you're inside the Viver, you can simply scroll down and tap on app permissions. And here you need to make sure that the SMS, phone, and contact permissions are allowed. And after that, you can simply restart your phone and try requesting the verification code again. And with that, you can also check if your phone SMS blocking, spam filter, or DND mode is enabled as well. And if it is, then you can simply turn it off temporarily. And with that, you also have to make sure that the Viver app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or the App Store, because an outdated version can cause the lagging issues. So, yeah. And with that, if the problem still continues, you can wait for a few hours before trying again, because requesting the code too many times can cause a temporary block. And that's it. That's how you can fix the verification code error. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.